Here's an example program of how to use the auxiliary sensor to control where you drop parts. As you see, the first section here is just picking the part. As you scroll down, you can see I added in here on step 13, if input 55 is true, jump to label 2, otherwise continue. So if sensor isn't on, then it'll continue, it'll traverse out, go down, drop the part, and then jump to label 3. I use input 1 for the e-stop. If it's on or available, then it'll jump to label 3. The e-stop is always going to be present unless it's triggered, so that's why I use that. Label 2, it'll traverse out a little bit more, go forward, down, and then drop the part. Then it will continue. Label 3 is our return to home position label, and that's needed for, return to the beginning.